wrote the song yourself.
Was with the right time ago, that's a good guidance.
Of course, he has to. Yeah. I told you, I said it on the other day, I said, Don Jazzy, even if I don't believe before, I know Don Jazzy is a genius. Because almost all the songs, when I don't see him do for people, they just do songs where he just do. It be like say they know the song that fits this person.
That's how Baba is, yeah.
How is he working? How Don Jazzy? A lot of people, they see him from, but you they experience him as a producer. How is he? Is he mean? Will he say, Korede, go back there? Would you give me something?
Lie.
That is cool.
Baba is Baba is everything.
He go there behind console like this. I be you go there boot.
We know they even record for boot again. Inside this thing with the record studio for there.
And they fear.
No, Baba is one of the best. Even when they sing something, we say to follow. I mean, you just eat one note, so why will you still use mad words? And when you talk something that makes sense, even if not be your song, you say, that's it. Or even if it's not your own song, you say, I can't sing. If not something we know if you do as far musically, you say, I can't sing that thing. Even if not idea for progression, you say, Papa, why don't you do like this? This progression is okay. But at the end of the day, I made the song sweet and made everybody like them. But Jazzy is that's a very wonderful person.
But tell me, this song where Korede don't become the next hottie, where everybody, I see one girl for Instagram, they die, they cry, they shout, because this is another level for you. I know, say you've always been ladies guy, fine boy looks, but that one, I imaginatory ladies. I remember those ghost times when they.
It'll be imaginatory.
Now before now they talk. I know, say now. You got what it takes, ambassador things, and this one when girls they scream, they die. How you they feel? God win. Honestly, I feel good. I feel great. They just like as girls they shout for you.
It's sweet.
You come shop right, you shut the whole place down.
Now God wins, say.
The girls all they scream, they
but I don't feel underestimate the love of my fans they give me. I really truly for now. All the love from the girls, from the guys, I really appreciate them. Man.
The guys they beef you. Forget that one. See, all this one they pretend to like you. The guys they beef you, guy.
No, guys no they beef me. I mean, they beef me.
I know.
They say no they beef me. I mean, you they beef me.
Yeah, they beef enough for time.
So you follow for guys.
I be guys.
Follow for guys.
Negress. Me na negress.
No one.
So tell me, this song has to be. When you wrote the song that you believe say the song will catch like this so quick?
Well, we cannot lie. From the expressions we get from studios, we make the song, as people just you say, yeah, you could do song, people just do face one kind, when something food sweet, now you do face.
I did today where I heard the song.
So well, just God, you don't bring another one come again. Just thank God, because then everybody will listen to them, just like them. Would like this one. Mommy, daddy, children, young baby, we plan for church, we plan for club, and the joy. I don't feel express my joy.
All right, so Korede has just gone on a very cool pee. It's just enjoying it, can't express. Say go get us, God bless you. Your voice they change, but I go market now because God must win. May they pay my salary. God will win. I they come back. Korede still there in the building.
Yes, ma'am.